Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how can you get the latest Intel Wi-Fi drivers which released just yesterday. So if you're using Wi-Fi 7, 6E or 6 with your network adapter card, you can update it easily without any third-party driver software anymore. Okay, so all you just need a web browser and you just have to visit this link which is given in the description down below, and the website will automatically detect your system configuration and let you know if the latest Intel drivers are available for your Wi-Fi card. And as you can see on my screen, I'm giving the permission to install Intel Pro wireless Wi-Fi software and driver. The installation is on progress and running smoothly. So once it's done, you will have the latest version of the Intel Wi-Fi driver installed. If you have been facing any Wi-Fi issues lately, this update might help them fix. So yeah, in my next video, I'll show you how to update your drivers manually without using tools like Driver Booster. And that will contain also like how can you identify like the driver softwares of your Intel graphics card, because the coming days the Intel is providing their arc architectural graphics support, so you don't need any extra software like Driver Booster. You can just do it on your own and get the things done. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.